i hopu aku ai I kekahi I ona ula a ho'okomo a kula I loko o kau eke. I ia manawa no, ua lohe a kula au I ke kani ui mai loko mai o ke eke. He aha la ia, I quickly grabbed some of the ulua and stuffed and stuffed them into my bag. At that very moment, I heard a squeaky noise from inside the eke. He aha la ia, what could it be? What do you think is in the bag? It's making noise. Awe e ke keiki. I kani ai ke kahi o nā ula. Mai lawe aku o e iaku. He mahua hine no ho'i au a nui ino nā hua ula li'i au. E hi'i nei ina lawe o e iaku a ohe e hiki I ma hua ke kiko a ulu a momona loa. Ke lu'u o mai oe I ke kahi la. O koa a ole paha e lava ana nā ula I mea ai nao. The little boy cried one of the ula. Don't take me. I'm a mother ula and I carry my little eggs. She has babies. If you take me, my little boy won't be able to hatch and grow up nice and momona. So if you take the mama, what happens?
It will not hatch.
It won't hatch. It won't have babies. Ke lu'u ho oi. The next time you dive here, a ole paha e lava ana nā ula. There might not be enough ula for you to eat.
So we're going to Heluhelu next. Hai mani kawa